Let me talk a bit about SAS environment. If at all you have used PC SAS, you would have seen four windows. One window is the program editor. Program editor is the place where you write your SAS code. The second window is the log window. Once you run the program, here it shows the execution. How many records has been read, if there is any error, if there is any warning, everything comes here. This is third place where you actually see your data sets, which library it is, and all those things. There is another which is called output window or result window, which shows the result of the execution. The SAS on-demand version has slightly different environment, but all those things are there again. Let me show it to you. So once you come to and you click on SAS Studio, it opens something like this. If you look at right now, it has got code, log, and result. If by any chance you close this and you want to create, keep in mind you see here a star kind of thing on the top, or so here you go, you see a new kind of thing is coming. You click on new, you can always say SAS program and it will open a window like this. Let me explain you what is this window. I have already kept one code ready so that I could show you. So here you can write your program, and to run the program you need to select this code and run it here. You see a running boy kind of stuff. So if you look at what it has done, once we selected program and we clicked on this run, or F3 we could have done, it is gone into the log. On SAS on-demand environment, you will actually see three things. So if there is any error, you can click on this and it will take you to the error. Warning, it will take you here, or otherwise notes will come here. This will show you some of the things that you have not even put here. For example, if you look at, I haven't put anything like all those things. These are your global options. Then it is showing your code and it is showing you what it has done. So it is showing you that it has read 4 observations, 3 variable. These codes, what does this code do, why it is reading 4 data, 4 observations, and all those things will anyway be explained to you in detail during the coursework. But the point that I'm trying to say here, that it shows the execution of the code, how much memory has been consumed, lot of details are available here. But mostly what is most important for you is the warning or error message, as well as how many records has been read. The result, here there is no result, that's why you are not seeing. I will show you circumstances where you will get result also. The data set that has been read just now is available here in the output window, and you can see it here. Now let me show you how you will use some of these panels also. So for that I am going here, and let me say that I am just going to run proc print. So it will run, actually create for the output. So it is whatever data it has read, it has put it here. Now if you look at, the output data is not available here. How will you go there to find? To go there, what you need to understand, that's where these things comes up. So here if you go to the library, any data which has not been saved is by default into the work library, and that's what you are seeing here. I will show you how you can create library name also, and then library name will be coming somewhere here so that you can go and always check your data. You have task and utilities here. I mean, mostly you will be using library, and you will be using this server files and folders. In server, once you if you try to save this code, try to save this code like this, it will ask for this, and you can go and select the location and you can save that. That's where it gets saved in this file in server files and folder location. One more thing you need to understand, if at all you want to upload any file, keep in mind you will have to go down. You can't upload it here, but if you go down, you go to your area, then this becomes activated. And when you click on upload, it will give you the prompt where you can choose your file from local machine and it will go here. So that's how you upload it here. So once you run the program, here you write your program. Log is where it shows the execution, result where it shows the output. If there is resultant data set, it will open in the result window, like I can show it to you, output data window, output data. And if at all for any reason, if it is not producing, say for example if you're running any procedure, it won't show the output data, then you can, if at all you want to go and take a look at the data, you can always go to the library and you can take a look. Now, two more things you need to understand. Though it's very preliminary, but still it gives you understanding. There are always two kind of things in SAS: data steps and proc steps. Data steps are where you are creating data or manipulating data, and process steps where you are trying to execute a particular process on this data. If you think of process is more like a function, whereas data is more like creation of data. Anyway, all this syntax will be explained to you in detail during the next modules, but this should give you a good enough understanding to start with SAS environment.